Development. Let's start with the chapter. This is the content of the chapter which we are going to learn. Economic development can be measured and income is the most common method. But with this, we cannot conclude that only income is the factor for comparison. Lot many parameters can be considered for comparing the countries that will be discussed ahead. Coming to the next topic, that is different goals. So what exactly development is promising to us? A real growth by enhancing the total income and standard of living of a person. But this development or aspiration can be different for different people around us. Example is given below. Okay, so the question answers has been given, exercise has been given, which you need to do. This exercise is about the categories of people with goals and aspiration. For few of them is given. You need to put your feet into the shoes and understand the development according to the different people. Coming to the next topic, that is income and goals. Everyone wants money, but along with the income, people prefer non-material facilities too, like security, freedom, etc., which is also the part of one's goals. Another question which you need to do in the book itself, find out the answers. Coming to the next topic, that is national development. National development is directly linked to the improvement in the facilities provided by the government. It might be dependent on the per capita income, GDP, literacy rate, etc., which can be improved by the government. Now this is a small case study and few questions are given. Please go through it. You will understand it better. Next topic is how to compare the different countries. We can compare the countries on the basis of the per capita income. We cannot take national income to compare the different countries because each country has different population rate. So it will be a difficulty to compare on the different bases. So we are taking the per capita income. And what is the per capita income? Is the average income of a particular country. This small case study is again given and questions are given. Please go through it. Starting with the topic income and other criteria, you can refer to the table given to understand it better. You can see that per capita income, that is the average income of 3 states are given. Highest is of Maharashtra, followed by Kerala, Bihar, respectively. Now go through the other table comparing the same 3 states again, but on the basis of infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio. This gives us the idea that in terms of IMR, Bihar is at the highest position, but talking about the literacy rate or net attendance ratio, Kerala is at the top. So we can conclude that we cannot judge a country or a state only on the basis of the income. Okay, starting with the public facilities. Facilities which are provided by the government considered as the public facilities like schools, hospitals, transport, electricity, etc. We need public facilities because we are not able to purchase all things by money. So we need public facilities. Coming to the Human Development Report, UNDP, United Nations Development Program, issued this Human Development Report, which compares the countries on the basis of educational level, health status, and per capita income, whereas the World Bank compare only on the basis of per capita income. Sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development refers to the development of human with at the same time sustaining the ability of a natural system. It is helpful to fulfill the needs of the human beings without harming the ability of the future generation. These are some of the examples given in the book to understand better that how the sustainable development can take place in our country. Now, these are few important terms which you need to learn. That is about the infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio, average income, gross enrollment ratio, life expectancy, and the Human Development Index.